Hello friends, I just finished Pilates. Let me tell you friends, the ladies at Pilates love this jacket. Like 2 people complimented it and they were like, oh my gosh, it's darling, where'd you get it? Amazon. I get so excited when I find something on Amazon that people like. I'm like, Amazon. Like, and also like the brown, maybe the brown on brown was giving with the tan, but Amazon. I'm gonna link it for you too, because Amazon. Like if it was like something fancy, I would be a little bit more hesitant. I don't know why I am that way, but like I'm happier when it's like a deal, like, oh, I thrifted it, or oh, I got it on Amazon, or oh, I got it at Target. Anyways, my nails, do you see how they're kind of outgrown? And like, look, that nail needs like some cuticle help. Anyways, I'm getting my nails did today. I should have just gotten it done when I got my lashes done, but I didn't. I don't know, it just didn't. It was looking good still, and then all of a sudden climbing trees. Actually, my toes, girl, let me tell you, I don't do my toes regularly. I do like maybe once a month. My toenails are not seen. It is winter. If it's looking like it's climbing trees, that's okay. The only person that see my toes in the winter is my man, and he's not looking at my toes like that. All done. They do such a good job. I love how thin it is. And I went with Holiday Red because I love... It reminds me of my mom. Like, I don't like red, but for some reason I like it on my nails. Because y'all know I'm about that blue life, okay? I like the color blue, if you catch my drift. But red nails for the holidays, I love it.
April, like, got the professional setup with her new light and everything. You're looking good. You found your mojo.
I did. I really like unboxing and organizing. I mean, the house is still a mess, for sure. But little by little, it's going to be super organized. And shout out to Operation Nikki, because her videos inspired me. And I will always give people their flowers where it's deserved. And she deserves all her flowers, because watching her inspired me so much to have like a better, organized, cleaner home. I've always been like a clean person, you know, I like to clean, but I've never been really organized, and she helped me get to that point just by watching her over and over and over again. Yeah, so hopefully you guys watching me has taught y'all to disinfect everything in your hotels, to wash your hands when you get home, to change your clothes. Change your clothes, your outside clothes is not the same.
Well, you know,
you're
you said that the house isn't, like, it's going to take a while for it to organize, but yeah, like slowly but surely, like we got, you know, we got the blinds over here now, and we just got this mounted today. We got our like Amazon Echo stuff, and you know, we got the Ring mounted and the keypad and everything. So it's like pretty cool.
Good morning, friends. Happy Friday. Today's Friday. I'm just making some eggs for my babies. When you guys make something like with oil, do you use a napkin like this to absorb the oil? Because my mom always did that with fried tilapia, fish, whatever. Oh, tilapia is fish. Eggs, whatever. You like the tongs? I love them. It's cat tongs.
You find the best egg.
The best egg is any egg you eat, buddy.
No matter how hard I try, I can't make eggs like you.
It's just fried eggs, baby. It's easy. So easy.
You put something on it. You put like garlic salt?
I put my foot in it. That's what I put. I put my elbow in it. That's what it's called.
Gold bond.
Stop. My stomach hurts. Oh my gosh. It was the ab workout from yesterday. Look who's under there. It's Chama. Hi, buddy. So Justin went to Target with Jacob. It's like something that they like to do together. Jacob is a foodie. He likes to go grocery shopping, but it's like a daddy thing that they do together. It's so special. And then Liam and I, we were just home because Liam still had homework. But I unbagged the groceries and filmed it. You see that? I still got to do something with it. Look at this. They went to Target, and Jacob found this for baby. I'm so excited though, because I got a bunch of diapers, Honest Company diapers, because I was looking at my nephew and I noticed that he wears Honest Company diapers, and I was like, wait, I think I might have some Honest Company credits. Girl, the way I had so much credit. Because I used to use that service, and then like if you don't use it up, like it just rolls over and you just have credits. And I also had the invite link, right? And an invite link is when you invite people to use Honest Company diapers, and you get like a $10 like referral fee. I don't know how much it was, $5-10 per person, right? So it added up, and I got diapers. I got to use that credit for my nephew, and that makes my heart so happy. So I want to just show a little haul. Look at these diapers. Right now he's a 3, and honestly I remember when my babies were a 3, that lasted the longest because of the weight. It's from 16 to 28 pounds, and that lasts forever. I remember like newborn lasted a day. Actually, my kids weren't even newborn size because they were big babies. Jacob was like a 9-pounder almost. So I got some wipes, actually a bunch of wipes. The flushable wipes are for us because, you know, we use flushable wipes. I use good wipes. And we need to buy a bidet because this new house doesn't have a bidet, and we left our bidet in the old house. But yeah, look, all the wipes, all the diapers. I even got overnight ones for Jessica to try for baby. Just a bunch of different kinds. Oh my gosh, I like this one. Just tell me why I'm flipping over diapers. Like, the designs are so cute. And then what is this? These are, oh, sanitizing wipes. I'm gonna keep this for my shelf because there's a few more that I'll give Jessica. You see that? Hello friends, I'm going out to lunch with Jessica and Sharon. I'm excited. I don't think we've done this since moving here, or I don't think we've really done this ever really, because we're always out with the kids, but the kids are at school, and baby's with nanny. I wanted to show you my outfit. I'm wearing the boots because I haven't worn it yet, okay? Because I would never, you know, I would absolutely never wear shoes on carpet. That's a no-no, but these are brand new. I'm wearing my Marshalls boots. Was that Marshalls? I think it was Marshalls. This is Bottega Veneta from Commence. It looks like the Bottega bag, but not really. Just kind of like, you know me, I love a Bottega Veneta bag because my Bottega self has to buy furniture, not bags, okay? Like, as I was filming this, Justin was like, oh, I need to tell you something. The school called about Jacob, and they're like, oh, Jacob seems tired, he's not feeling himself. And I'm like, oh, I can call and cancel and just go get him. And Justin's like, no, you're supposed to have lunch with my mom and my sister. I'll go get, but Justin has like all these calls and he's busy, but he doesn't want me to cancel, but I will happily cancel. And so he's like, no, you're not. You're gonna go to your lunch and I'll pick up Jacob. And so that's what he's gonna do. I made it, and I didn't even get lost. Yay, lunchtime or brunch time. Dang, that looks good.
That's really good.
And yours looks so good too.
Sure does.
I got Brussels sprouts. I'm back with my Chicken Little. Looks like the kitties are loving on him. How you feeling, buddy? Watching Bluey? You feeling okay? Nice and hot. I know, that's my favorite place to sit too. I love it there. I'm back home just for a while. Like, honestly, I only had 10 minutes, but I still wanted to go home and just see how Jacob's doing. He's fine. He doesn't seem like he's sick or anything. Maybe it's him adjusting to sleeping in his own room. He wakes up sometimes because, you know, he was used to sleeping with Liam when we first moved here, but they both have their own beds now. A new mattress was delivered. They have proper beds so they can now sleep in their own rooms, and it's an adjustment for him. He'll wake up and want like a cat to sleep next to him, and I'm thinking maybe he hasn't been sleeping as well because of that. Because he seems fine. I'm watching him and he looks good, but you never know. Sometimes people don't feel well and then all of a sudden you'll figure it out later. I hope that it's not, Sharon mentioned over lunch that there's pneumonia going around, so I really hope and pray that there's no pneumonia going around, because I would be so sad for him. Anyways, lunch was really good. Like, I told Justin I need to take you sometime. He has to try it. It was delicious. And I got this like non-alcoholic drink. I don't think I shared it. It was delicious. It looked like champagne with a little lime. It tasted like Sprite and ginger ale mixed together with lime zest or lemon zest. It was and simple syrup. Like, it was super sweet, and that's why I liked it, because you know me and sugar, we're besties. What else is new? Oh, we're thinking about having Thanksgiving at our house because there were plans for another for our auntie's house, but I don't think it's gonna work out for our auntie's house, so we might have it here. I know like our house is still in shambles, but I don't care. Like family, they don't care either. As long as we have a place to sit and eat, even though there's boxes all around, that really doesn't matter. You guys should be so proud. Actually, I don't need you guys to be proud. I'm proud of myself because the old me would never. The old me would be like, ain't nobody come to my house looking all messy with all boxes everywhere. But now I'm like, you know what? All that matters is just us being together, enjoying a meal, and being grateful for each other. And that's it. I'm really proud of myself for not being so stressed about the house being perfect because it's got a long way to go. We don't have a lot of furniture, but I don't care. We're gonna have the foldable chairs from the garage, put it here, have everyone eat. It's gonna be lovely. And you know, I don't be doing the turkey because I don't even eat meat, so don't nobody trust me to cook the meat. Please don't trust me, you guys. Like, I am not the meat eater, so I shouldn't be cooking turkey. So it's gonna be a whole family thing. Like, it's not me cooking, it's like all of us figuring it out, a whole potluck situation. So I'm excited. I'm just happy that everyone has like a place to sit and eat. We also oh yes honey, okay, I'll chat with you guys later. Jacob just said mama, and I was like, oh, I gotta go buy it. Yeah, he just asked for the remote. Here you go, my king. I'm gonna go get your brother. Justin's here, by the way. Like, don't worry, he's being watched. Justin's just on a phone call right now. Friends, happy movie night. We've got some snacks, and we got some Lunds and Barley's frozen pizza because Justin read somewhere that it was yummy. Sunrise is looking like he wants some too. All right, you are legit. My kids like it. I like it. Justin likes it. It's legit. So I spent some time today doing this, organizing. Because the thing is, the bottom wasn't organized. It was always organized here. Like, this is where I started. And then this was organized too. This was a second spot organized. I have my rice, my flour. I actually bought some more because I need more. And then the top wasn't organized. I don't even know what I threw here. But now it's organized. Sunrise, what even are you doing, honey? He said, I'm going to sit on Jacob.
I got 2 kids on me.
I know, you got your fur kitty and Jake Rooney. Oh, baby. Oh. I love how you joined the party, Mr. Bob. Hi, handsome. Oh, you love Sunrise, don't you? That's so sweet. So I was editing the vlog and I realized that was days ago. That was like on Friday, and today as I'm editing, it is Tuesday. So we have some updates. We're not having Thanksgiving at our house. It's going to be at Bubby's and it's going to be catered. So all I need to bring is fruit. Just fruit, that's it. And also when Justin picked up Jacob, Jacob was fine. I think he was just sleepy because he didn't sleep well by himself in his own room because he's adjusting to it. But everything's good. He's fine and healthy. Thank goodness for that. No pneumonia, no cough, nothing. He just was not himself because he was tired. That's the best news ever because like we were worried. But yeah, that's it, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.